Let's make traditional holiday cookies with Grandma. Kuraby. Let's go. Sift 1 kilo of flour, put it aside. Take 700 grams of butter and 300 grams of melted sheep's butter. If you don't have sheep butter, take 1 kilo of ordinary butter. Add 100 grams of sugar and beat until whitened and increases in volume. It took us about 10 minutes. Set aside our butter and take almonds. Toast 200 grams of almonds in a dry pan until golden. Chop well with a knife into small pieces. Transfer the airy mass into a larger bowl. Pour in the flour and finely chopped almonds. And now we proceed to manual work. Well knead the received mass with our hands, rubbing the dough between the palms of our hands, as grandmother does. Then we press the dough with our fists until it does not stick to the hands and walls of the bowl. It took my grandmother and I about 10 minutes of intense. Now the dough is ready. My grandmother and I proceed to shape the cookies. You can shape the cookies in any shape you want. You can make them round, as my grandmother and I do in the video. You can make them oval, or take molds for baking. While we are molding the cookies, I want to say that the Greeks make kuraby for almost all holidays. It can be Christmas, Easter, Christina, or even weddings. These cookies turn out very tender, literally melts in your mouth, and the crunchy almonds inside give the cookies a special piquancy. The traditional recipe does not contain eggs and consists of practically 4 ingredients: sugar, flour, butter, and almonds. Now we send the cookies to the oven, heated to 170 degrees Celsius, for 10-15 minutes until golden color. Then we take about 1 kilogram of powdered sugar and send it to a deep bowl. We sprinkle our cookies with floral water. Roll the cooled cookies in powdered sugar and you're done. You can enjoy the delicious taste of Greek traditional dessert.